New at 6, a former Austin police officer who was sentenced to 2 years in prison for shooting and killing a man in 2019 wants a new trial.
Christopher Taylor's defense team submitted that request to the judge who oversaw his October trial. That trial ended with the jury finding Taylor guilty of deadly conduct. Senior reporter Tony Plahetsky joins us now with more. Tony.
Hey, Brian and Quita. Attorneys for Christopher Taylor cite 5 reasons they say he deserves a new trial. Those reasons include new evidence favorable, they say, to Taylor and potential misconduct by jurors during deliberations. The motion cites an affidavit from a woman who was friends for 20 years with Morris Da Silva, who Taylor shot during a mental health episode. She said in her statement that she believes Da Silva wanted to die by so-called suicide by cop. The motion also says that prosecutors did not provide an email to Taylor's defense until after his conviction that the district attorney's office originally did not believe Taylor should face criminal charges. And Taylor's attorneys argued that they did not get a chance to question jurors about what materials they may have been viewing on laptops and cell phones during deliberations to rule out that they were looking at media coverage or doing legal research, potential grounds for a mistrial. They conclude the request saying that the conviction is not supported by evidence. Former federal prosecutor Jorge Vela, who has followed this case, said he believes it will be difficult for Taylor to get a new trial.
The court is not going to take this motion lightly. I think on its face, defense's motion for a new trial sounds compelling, but on a deeper dive, I think ultimately after the court looks through this motion, she will ultimately deny the defense's motion.
In 2019, Taylor shot and killed Da Silva while Da Silva was going through a mental health crisis and had a knife in a high-rise building in downtown Austin. A judge sentenced Taylor to 2 years in prison, but he does remain free on bond pending the outcome of a yet-to-be-filed appeal. We reached out today to the DA's office for comment, but they did not have one. We do expect them to file a response with the court in coming days. A judge has 30 days to rule. Brian and Quita.